I guess IPTV Smarters got removed from the Google Play Store and I didn't even notice, which really surprises me. Usually I would get spammed with comments. I didn't realize this until the other day when I was going to do a tutorial on IPTV Smarters and I literally couldn't find it in the Google Play Store. It's always been there, very similar to Kodi. So I figured for those of you that can't find out how to install the actual official one, because there are so many clones and so many bad copies, well, here's going to be a quick tutorial on how to do that. But before that, I also wanted to go over why it got removed and a bunch of other apps that were removed at the same time. Now, one of my subscribers did suggest I start putting chapters consistently down below, so I did that. If you want to skip ahead to the part where I show the install, go down below the description. You'll see the chapters, click on it, or I think it also shows on the bar below. Also, quick mural update. It's getting done. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. So this is a mural by my buddy JD Art. You can check him out on Instagram, local mural artist. But as you can see, it's anime and tech related. We're going to extend it to the back wall, and the bottom is supposed to seem like it's coming out of the ground. I don't know how to explain it. He said when it all comes together, it'll be done. But Zorro's starting to look jacked. Okay, I'm a nerd. Let's get into the video. So this was actually back in March, which really surprises me. I didn't hear about this, but it was actually a number of different apps. Now, the company that took them down is Geostar. Now, Geostar, I don't know if I said that right. It's basically a streaming app, streaming service in India. Super big for cricket. So they do a lot of live cricket on here. So that's a new one for me for actually going after IPTV. Now, the thing about Smarters is it's a little bit more complicated because we have to remember Smarters is just a player for live content, essentially. So they don't actually promote, and this one specifically, some of these IPTV apps do promote services and stuff. IPTV Smarters never has. It's basically just a canvas that IPTV companies can paint on. We'll say it that way. And these have never really been known to be illegal, right? So the best way to go after them is to take them out through the App Store to make it inconvenient for users. Because it's like Kodi, right? Where Kodi is just a shell. And can you do stuff on it? Sure. But you can do stuff on the internet too. It doesn't mean the internet shouldn't exist, right? We just have to understand laws and understand what we're doing. Okay, back to it. So if you go to IPTV Smarters page currently, you'll get this. So it was removed from the Google Play Store back then. But if you look up IPTV Smarters on your ONN box, which I'm going to show you in a second, you are going to get tons of different hits. So lots of people have copied this. Like this, you can see this copy here, 100,000 downloads, 5 million downloads. I don't think this is the official. Maybe this is the official one. Maybe it's the other official one because I know they had multiple ads. That's actually really interesting. This could also be a dummy though, as well. It could be a copy because it doesn't say IPTV. Usually it says IPTV Smarters, and it's a different company as well. It doesn't even take me to their page. Okay. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that there are still copies, but I would not get unofficial copies because you never know. You don't know what they're doing. You don't know what they're doing with their your data. What I do know is IPTV Smarters has always been consistent. So if we actually had, and by the way, this is not the first time. They got taken down in 2019 as well from the Google Play Store and eventually reinstated, right? But this is a little bit different because I think this was basically due to a court order as well. So there's a little bit more stipulation in this involving Google. Now, funny enough, you can still get it in the Apple App Store. So Apple's saying, yeah, we're cool with it. They have the light player, and I think they have the other full version as well. And their official website, if you go here, instead of under here with the App Store, if you click on the App Store, you get this message. Is coming soon to the App Store, meaning that they're working to try to get it back in because that was obviously a very big sale force for them. Because I think they do have a pro version where they make most of their money. But you can see here, right? It's every other app that it's available on, anyways. So I did kind of want to show you guys this, but they also have this. So if we go to the facts section, you can see they have a fraud awareness here where they're kind of talking about all these websites that are duping it. You don't know what's inside of it, and just basically letting you know, like, hey, these copies might not be safe, and we also don't have affiliation with them because, again, these guys don't want to be affiliated directly with IPTV at the very least. Okay, but sorry, we got to verify I'm human here. But let me show you how to install it if you want it for your ONN Pro 2 or any other Google TV device or Fire TV. It works all the same. Okay, check this out. First, we need to head to the Google Play Store. So if we head up and go to our apps, you can go to the App Store on your device. First, I wanted to go here and type in IPTV Smarters just to show you guys how many different copies there are. Go here, Smarters. You can see it's not even popping up, which kind of surprises me a little bit. So we go here, and there should be quite a few different copies. The other day when I was doing it, there was like 3 or 4. Yeah, look at this. IPTV Smarters Player, IPTV Smarters Plus, Smarters Pro, IPTV Smarters Pro. Yeah, see a totally different guy. They're literally just taking any name they can that says Smarters and trying to get it approved so they can just steal sales, and there's just so many of them. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. Now, we do actually need to be in the App Store because you are gonna need the app downloader in order to get Smarters. So just type in down, and even if you just click on download right here, it should pop up. It should be like the first or second. Yeah, the first one right here. Now, a lot like Smarters, these other two right here are not good. Do not install these. They're copycats and they actually try to get you on a weekly subscription. It's quite a scam. But click on this one right here. Now, once you have it installed, you can go ahead and open it up, and this is going to be a very quick process. Now, the good part about the new downloader app is if we head to the top bar here, and go to the number sign in the top right corner, you get this right here, which is a nice little short code shortcut tool. Now, the code for IPTV Smarters is 646812. So go ahead, type that in right there. Rewind the video a little bit if you have to. Click it in, and this will take you right to the Smarters download page officially from their website for the most up-to-date APK. Give it a few seconds here, and now you can go ahead and install it. Pretty straightforward. And so the cool part about this app is it's multifunctional. So if you happen to install it on mobile, you can just switch to mobile, but it detects it as a TV at the very least. And here's just a disclaimer basically saying we're just a media player. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that quick little tutorial, how to reinstall it since it was removed from the Google Play Store. Hopefully you guys are able to utilize it. Like always, stream safe, subscribe to the channel. See you guys later.